Testing. 1 2 3. Testing. 1 2 3. Testing. Testing. 1 2 3. Testing. 1 2 3. Testing. 1 2 3. Testing. 1 2 3. Testing. Testing.
good afternoon. I'm here.
Vanakkam. A very good evening and a warm welcome to all of you. This year of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which is 75th year of our independence and 115th year of our bank, is turning out to be a very happening year for our esteemed bank. Our bank, all team members, all customers, and all stakeholders are bubbling with enthusiasm, and we are achieving milestones one after the other. Today, we are going to witness another step in our series of initiatives towards going digital, anytime, anywhere banking with customer convenience at the core of this transformation. Digitizing customer verification through video KYC. Video KYC enables socially distant, remotely connected, paperless, and hassle-free verification, leading to secure customer onboarding. To mark the auspicious beginning of this occasion, I request MD and CEO Sir, Shri S.L. Jain Sir, and Executive Directors, Shri Ashwani Kumar Sir and Shri V.V. Shinoy Sir, to light the lamp, please. Our Executive Director, Shri Imran Amin Siddiqui Sir, is connected to us virtually through online medium. Light symbolizes brightness and prosperity. It removes the forces of darkness and gives us positivity. In a spiritual world, light means life. So, we can also think of light as giving us new direction in life. Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dhan sampada, shatru buddhi vinashaya, deepa jyoti namastute. Deepa jyoti par brahma, deepa jyoti janardana, deepo hartu me papam, deepa jyoti namastute. May this divine light lead our bank to greater achievements and help discover newer pastures. I request everyone to please stand for the IB anthem. proceed with the program further, I request GM R&GR, Shri K. Chandra Reddy sir, to deliver welcome address to the distinguished audience. Please. Sir.
Very good evening, friends. It's a great occasion wherein we welcome our beloved Managing Director and CEO, Sri Jain Saab. We also welcome our ED, Sri Shanai sir, Sri Imran Siddiqui sir, and also our new Executive Director, Ashwini Kumar sir. I also take this opportunity to welcome my colleague general managers, DGMs present here and connected across the country, and also a lot of technology department people who have worked very hard for this today's function. Besides TMO, besides DBD department, this is everybody's joint effort, and Mr. Gopi Krishna and his department has done a lot of good work here. And finally, we are going to have this program. And friends, you know, the present day's challenge for the bank is, first one is acquisition of customer. Second one is retention of customer. So these are the big challenges. First one talks about customer acquisition. Yes, traditionally we have been doing, whoever comes inside or whoever ask for account opening, will give forms, collect back, all these things, traditional form. Now, the younger generation, tech savvy people, and acquiring this kind of Gen X, Gen Y people is not at all possible with the traditional method. Unless bank upgrades and bring in a robust, secured mechanism in digital banking area, it is not possible to compete in the market and have good banking opportunities in future. That is the reason, under the able guidance of our MD and CEO and executive directors, this work has been happening for a long time, but this is the time where our MD CEO was, no, let us start this. Let us create a feeling in the field that Indian Bank is no way lesser than anybody in the banking industry. Yes, we are capable of doing everything in technological products and digital area. So this is his inspiration to make this program so quickly, and we all met here. Sir, thank you very much for your motivation, sir. Definitely, it is not that just we have got approved, we have got acquired software, skills, everything, but the main challenge is how best it can be taken to field is my department area. Because products are coming unless it is taken from lab to land. It's called lab to land extension program. Unless it happens, there is no purpose for any product. Now that a good product has been brought out by BOD department under the able cooperation of both the technology GM and the DBD GM. Now we will take it forward, sir. And with this, I think for the information of field, because a lot of people are connected, you know very well, this this web-based, video-based customer identification process has been approved by Reserve Bank in the month of January 2020. Since then, we have started. A lot of relaxation and scope has got widened during COVID time. Now, it gives very operational flexibility. It improves the efficiency. It reduces the fraud. It is a purely digital, highly secure, paperless, and anytime, anywhere, people can start opening the account. I think it is the order of the day. Unless we are thorough with this process and take it to the nook and corner of the country and involving in the last mile, like rural branches also should be involved into this process. I request marketing department and digital champions, around 1,000 big force is available. They are all very good, highly qualified, tech savvy people. They can take this product and make it more popularized in the field, so that we will conduct in a like a mission mode. Unless yesterday when MD sir was reviewing my department, we have been very shy to tell that our number of accounts opened for the bank as average is just around 2 per day, per working day, per branch. But unless it should be 5. Otherwise, it's not possible. We just opened 17 lakh accounts in the entire, I can say 10 months period, which is very lowest in the industry now. So this is the product which is enabling me to reach out to people. Definitely will popularize, sir. I seek help of all my colleague general managers here to popularize this product, and we request the program to be taken forward by our MD CEO, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. The concept of lab to land is definitely very significant in today's banking. And now the time has come for which we all have gathered today on this wonderful evening. As sir has very lightly pointed out some challenges of banking today, which is acquisition and retention of customers, and that too from Gen X and Gen Y. So we should understand that the world is changing at an extremely fast pace. And some of the developments that we are visualizing today were even unimaginable few years ago. The need of the hour is to foresee the changes and adapt quickly with them to be ahead of time. Video KYC, as we will see shortly and experience in times to come, will enable a quick, zero contact, paperless, and hassle-free KYC that replaces the need for visiting the branch and physical submission of KYC documents. Ladies and gentlemen, without wasting any much of your time, I request MD and CEO, Shri SL Jain sir, to please launch Video KYC.
Introducing VCIP process for customer onboarding. Get a full KYC account opened at your fingertips in a few simple steps. Fill and submit the application form. Connect to the bank's representative over the video call. Share the required documents. Full KYC account opened successfully through Video KYC.
Pretty simple, isn't it? We are excited to have our technical partners who have supported us in designing this solution. Next, we have an address from Geom Business Solutions, Ms. Bhavna Mallesh, co-founder of Geom Business Solutions.
Very good evening, esteemed MD and CEO, Shri Shantilal Jain sir, and other respected members from Indian Bank. I'm Bhavna Mallesh, co-founder, director, heading engineering at Geom Business Solutions. We thank Indian Bank for the opportunity to be part of your digital journey with our Video KYC software, Digital Validator. Digital Validator is our AI ML video communication based software product. It is a fully made in India software product. Indian Bank customers can open a bank account remotely from the safety and comfort of their homes using Digital Validator. We started this implementation during the pandemic, and the entire implementation has happened remotely with our teams based out of the 3 South Indian states. This was possible only because of the amazing support extended to us from the Indian Bank IT and business teams. We are aware that there will be new learning that we will gather in the coming days as the volumes of customers increase and the reach of the bank. We have implemented our support ticketing tool to ensure service levels are maintained, and we do everything possible to keep your end customers happy. We believe that we are the right technology partner for Indian Bank, and we will be leveraging all our experience from several implementations done both in the country and abroad. Wishing all of us all the best and a long and fruitful engagement. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. We are also hopeful that Indian Bank partnering with you will further our digital journey. Now, may I request Executive Director, respected Executive Director, Shri Ashwani Kumar sir, to please address us.
Respected MDCO, sir, my fellow colleague, Executive Director, Shri Shinoy ji, Shri Imran ji, and my dear colleagues from corporate office and from the field. I I must say that today is a very big day for our bank, that we have launched a great initiative, video KYC initiative for opening of bank accounts. Today, Gen Y, when we talk about the millennials, they are not willing to visit branches. And even pandemic also, we have seen that people are more keen to open accounts or work from home. They don't want to go to the branches. And in the process, this was the need of the hour as well. And our bank has come forward and initiated this video KYC launch today. And it will go a long way for the field also to converse to open new accounts. Not only it will give a hassle-free journey to the customers without because in the current scenario, when the account opening forms are so bulky, account opening forms, customers take long time to fill the form. There are many various details are required to be filled, and even in CASA back office, they are getting account rejected because of some reason and the other reason, and also the account is not activated same day. But through video KYC account, it will be a 5 to 10 minutes journey. They can onboard while sitting at home by showing their documents to the screen and to our representative through video, and account will be operated immediately, instantly. So it will be a hassle-free journey for the customers. It will be a big leap in the digital adoption by the bank. Because in the times to come, we have to go for many more initiatives in the digital arena. Maybe it will facilitate our onboarding for the credit card, also onboarding for the digital lending also. So we must take all the benefits which we are likely to accrue through this medium. And it's a great opportunity for the field also. So I convey my congratulations to the entire team who has been involved in initiating this process and launching this today successfully. So big compliments to the entire team involved, IT team, even operational team, even our implementation team. So let us take it forward and do a good business for the bank. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Absolutely, it has brought with it a great opportunity for us and for the field functionaries also. And the convenience of customers has been kept in mind for this. They can definitely do KYC from the convenience of their home. Now, our respected Executive Director, Shri Imran Amin Siddiqui sir, is connected to us virtually. And I request sir to please address us.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. Respected MD and CEO, my colleagues on the board, Mr. Shinoy Saab and Mr. Ashwani, general managers, and other colleagues. This day we were waiting for long. This video KYC we started long back, but today we could implement. We are really very happy. This is not only going to improve the customer experience for onboarding, this is going to help us in big way to onboard the new customers. Because as Ashwini was telling, the new customer, they don't want to come to the branch for opening an account because they want everything hassle-free, sitting in comfort and security of their home. So today, at least we have got the product which will facilitate their journey, which will be smooth and which will be secure. Now, our field function is because the product is as good as it is adapted by our people. because we can have multiple of products unless and until it is adopted by our people, it is not going to succeed. We have got 1,000 digital champions for mainly for onboarding people on the digital platform, digital apps. So my request will be to the branch head, to the zonal heads, to utilize service of these people and to popularize our this video KYC through various means, whether through WhatsApp, through social media, through our local TVs and all. So we have to popularize this through print media, whatever popularization method is available, we have to utilize all and we have to inform our customers that we have got this product. And going forward, we are going to use the VKYC for our lending purpose also. Because next step will not be only the onboarding of the liability people. We want VKYC for the our small ticket personal loan type of. So field functionary need to understand the SOPs, the processes and all, so that when we onboard people digitally for the lending, it should be smooth. So my thanks to our technology partner, as well as my entire DBT team, ITD team, operation team, and the team which is going to popularize it, propagate it, that is RNGR team. And my congratulations to each and all. Congratulations to MD and CEO. He came and he scheduled us to do it as early as possible. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much, sir. This should definitely, video KYC should definitely be popularized, and we should make the maximum of this, and the process should be smooth. In order to make it smooth, we later in the evening, we also have a demo on this. Now, may I request respected Executive Director, Shri V.V. Shenoy sir, to address us, please.
Our MD and CEO Jain Saab, my fellow colleagues on the board, Imran ji and Ashwini ji, all the GMs, other Indianites who are present here physically and through online. A very good evening to all of you. I think we are a little bit late entrant in this video KYC. Hopefully, so what are the lessons learned by the peers who had introduced it earlier, we must have sorted it out so that whatever we are launching today, it should be going out very smoothly. So pitfalls, if any, which were faced by the other banks has been resolved, and there should not be any issue because we must have got all the learnings that has to be made here. I'm sure with this, we will be in a position to give better service to our customers, because of late, as rightly pointed out by my predecessors, people will not like to come to the branch, at least the Gen X. The millennials would like to do the work sitting in the home itself. I'm sure even at the back office, adequate care has been taken, adequate support has been provided, staff members have been provided, so that once the accounts comes for getting opened, we are having the required manpower to serve them properly. And in days to come, I'm sure we can think about extending it for making any modification in the phone numbers or in the address, so that even that services can be given well in time. And they need not go through the entire process of going to the branch and then going to the CK or CPCs and getting it done. So through online itself, whether all these things can be made available in days to come, we can think about it, including change in nominations. Besides life certificate for the pensioners also, or maybe our staff members or the other pensioners, step by step we can plan it so that all these services we can make available for all our customers sitting them at home itself, so that our load on the branches will be reduced, our cost will be reduced, and we'll be able to provide timely and effective services. I wish all the team members who have made it possible all the very best, and I'm sure in the days to come, the bank will be able to at least capture the market, which we have been losing to the private peers. Because I have been receiving the SMSs from the private peers, sending the messages for opening the account online through video KYC, so that I need not go to the branch. But I think we will also initiate this process of sending the SMS to the public at large, so that anyone who would like to open the account with the bank, they open the account with the bank. Good day, thank you, and all the very best.
Thank you very much, sir. As sir has very correctly pointed out, that in order to have time-effective and cost-effective services, all these facilities should be extended to other services as well. Now, may I request respected MD and CEO, Shri S.L. Jain, sir, to address us, please.
Good evening, Chinai Saab, Imran ji, Ashwari ji, GMs from corporate office and field, and all our staff who has joined through network and our media people. So this KYC. So KYC basically a customer identification process. Generally, we take at the time of onboarding of the customer and also during the business relationship. So we take this KYC 2 times or rather more than that based on the account, right? And this KYC came in India in 2002, to my mind, and then RBI came out these new guidelines in 2004, and they mentioned that KYC is compulsory. First, it started from banking, then mutual fund, the BFSI plus all sector, and then even for telecom and all, we need to have a KYC, and also KYC is urgent for everything. I'm pleasure that today we are launching this video KYC. In fact, the video KYC guidelines came in last year, and wherein what RBI said that you should capture photographs, you capture PAN details, verify the PAN and other details from the databases and the geo-tagging just to know that the customer is in India and all. And I think this KYC is totally in compliant with that guideline. So what is the benefit we will be having with this KYC? This video KYC or video CIP, whatever you call it, because RBI talks video CIP. So in this process, we will be able to onboard the customer who is here or maybe places at a remote center. And not only in this process, of course, you have done that one link is there and our person will be available at RAPC, the account opening centers, right? But fact remains that going forward, we have to scale it. We should have to have this in tablet banking wherever we'll go to the customers, have a video KYC. Even in our branches also, somebody comes to us, we can have photograph and do KYC and do business. And start business relationship. Within in the time to time also, because we are required to take this KYC just to keep the account running. Otherwise, account will become inoperative and then account will move to DEF and all this. So this video KYC will help us onboarding. So customer acquisition plus customer retention, both point of view. It will save our cost also because the huge cost. It will be a customer's convenience and customer will have a different experience because from their own house, they can open the account, they can submit KYC details, will reduce the cost also. But fact remains that we have to scale it. And this should be used for our further digital initiatives. Further digital initiatives means maybe account opening, maybe for insurance, maybe for wealth management, maybe for lending. So it should be a scalable, and this facility should be available for all our channels, maybe through mobile, through net, because anybody can use this facility and have built a relationship with the bank. Then it is really beneficial. It is the very purpose of video KYC. So my request to all those who are working on that, let us scale it. And if we will be able to scale it, then we will be able to improve our CASA, which is hovering around 41% to maybe 43 or 44%, because then we can go to the customer site or institutions and open an account without insisting for them to come to our office. So this is a real tool for us to scale our operations, to increase our reach to the customer, right? So my compliments to all the departments, IT department and all of the other business department who have done good work for us and brought this product to us, and all the best to entire staff. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm sure our Indian Bank team will try its level best to scale our operations through the help of and benefit of this video KYC. Now, to all the excitement has been built up about this, and to have a better understanding of what video KYC or how it is going to work, let us have a demo video for that.
Introducing video-based customer identification process. VCIP is video-based customer identification process, which was introduced by RBI. To start with, bank is introducing opening of new SB accounts through VCIP mode. Prerequisites for opening of online saving accounts. Let us now look at the video KYC process flow. The customer has to use the link to open a video KYC enabled account. Enter the basic details as prompted. PAN verification will be done and data will be fetched from Aadhaar. On successful registration, customer or applicant will receive SMS and email having application reference number and video call link. Read the instructions provided and proceed to call option. Connect with bank's representative over the video call. Select the preferred language of communication. Proceed with video call by enabling browser permissions. Bank's representative will verify customer KYC documents and ask knowledge-based random questions. Share the required documents. Bank's representative will confirm the customer's geolocation as per RBI regulations. Full KYC account opened successfully. All interactions made over the video call can be reviewed for purpose of audit.
It looks very simple, easy, and helpful to me, and I'm definitely going to popularize it among my friends, acquaintances, and various contacts. I request everyone to please popularize it as much as possible. I request Chief Operating Officer Shri Gopikrishnan sir to deliver vote of thanks.
Respected MD and CEO sir, respected executive directors, GMs and my dear colleagues. In fact, this product Video KYC, it was originally designed and developed by our DPD team, Badi sir and his team. Sir, it was ready 3 months back itself, but because of reversed master direction from Reserve Bank of India, we were able to make some changes, and there's a delay in implementation. And today it is rolled out. To begin with, we are going to have 3 languages for interaction with the customers, that is English, Hindi, and Tamil. It will be expanded based on the demand in the field. And the central for execution, this hub will be at Chennai only. And if it is needed, it will be extended to other places, depends upon the requirements. So different patterns are being, models are adopted by different banks. In fact, we are having a good technology partner. They are the partner for Punjab National Bank and the Canara Bank also, sir. So depends upon the field demand, it will be expanded, sir. So immediately expanded for the pension life certificate. And in fact, we received a request from GM KYC to expand this platform for KYC updation also. So as told by MD sir and ED sir, it will be extended for assets also. So this will be a good platform, sir. And we are having a good technology partner. I sincerely thank MD and CEO for launching it officially today, sir. In fact, sir has made a mention during the release of the annual result also. So today, officially in a grand manner, it is launched. So I sincerely thank MD and CEO, sir. I thank Shaina sir also. Sir has given some guidance also that will be carried forward during the time of implementation. I sincerely thank Shaina sir also. I thank Imran sir because sir has wanted to, he is very keen that it should be implemented immediately. So I sincerely thank Imran sir. And I thank my department ED Ashwini Kumar sir. And my thanks to Bajaji and his team because he has only made all the arrangements, and Chandraji sir, who is going to expand this to the field. My request to, my appeal to all the field functionaries who are listening to is, in fact, I have sent a DO letter to all the zone managers. In fact, the circular also sent. Unless you popularize it, it's not no use. Okay. So far, we have on trial run, we have opened nearly 700 accounts. Of course, if any field level issues are there, you please refer to us. Okay. So please popularize product to the field and reduce the footfall at the branches. So you are going to be benefited and don't need to store any documents in the branch, and the CQAs will be taken care of by the this unit. So 100% of your job will be done by the hub. So you are going to be the beneficiaries. Please popularize this scheme through the field functions. So I thank all the GMs who are participating in there and all the other officials who are conducted through the. Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you very much, sir. May I request everyone to stand for the national anthem, please? We invite all of you for high tea.
Chalo, thank you.